Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates. Nanny was a leader of the Maroons at the beginning of the 18th century. She was known by both the Maroons and the British settlers as an outstanding military leader who became, in her lifetime and after, a symbol of unity and strength for her people during times of crisis. She was particularly important to them in the fierce fight with the British during the First Maroon War from 1720 to 1739. Although she has been immortalized in songs and the legends, the certain facts about Nanny, or Granny Nanny as she was affectionately called, have also been documented. Both legends and the documents refer to her as having exceptional leadership qualities. She was a small, wiry woman with piercing eyes. Her influence over the Maroons was so strong that it seemed to be supernatural and was said to be connected to her powers of Obeah. She was particularly skilled in organizing the guerrilla warfare carried out by the Eastern Maroons to keep away the British troops who attempted to penetrate the mountains to overpower them. Besides inspiring her people to ward off troops, Nanny was also the type of chieftainess or wise woman of the village who passed down legends and encouraged the continuation of customs, music and songs that had come with the people from Africa, and which instilled in them confidence and pride. Her spirit of freedom was so great that in 1739, when Quaho signed the second treaty, the first was signed by Kojo for the Leeward Maroons a few months earlier. With the British, it was reported that Nanny was very angry and in disagreement with the principle of peace with the British, which she knew was meant another form of subjugation. There are many legends about Nanny among the Maroons. Some even claim that there were several women who were leaders of the Maroons during this period of history. But all legends and documents refer to Nanny as the first Maroon War as the most outstanding of them all, leading our people with courage and inspiring them to struggle to maintain the spirit of freedom and life of independence, which was their rightful inheritance. On March 31, 1982, the Right Excellent Nanny of the Maroons was conferred the Order of National Hero, as per Government Notice 23 Jamaica Gazette, along with Sam Sharp. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video informative. If so, please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Thank you. Miss Alaya, stop, call my phone. I'll create more content, I'll create more good content, and all my content is based on facts. You know yourself. Stop, call my phone. Thank you.